Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you this right here. I love these little buses. This right here is a 2011 Bluebird microbus, but check this out, minibus, I'm sorry. This right here seats 9 passengers, putting it under the CDL requirements in all states. And also, this is powered by that 4.8 Chevy under the hood right there. Let's take a walk around and check it out. This thing is clean, and by the way, it only has 21,000 miles. That was what I wanted to tell you, the important part. 4.8. Let's check it out. For 2011, you'd be hard pressed to find one this nice. Ooh. Yeah, look at the hoses. Everything in there is nice and clean. Very clean engine compartment. Super clean. I mean, even this plastic, look at that.
Must have parked it inside.
Great shape. Straight metal. Of course, you got a nice little step there for the driver. Tires look great. Yeah, tires actually look great. I wanted to say new, but we didn't put new tires on those. They look good. Skirt mounted AC condenser. School bus drop down style windows. And straight rear bumper. Nobody's backed in anything on this. Nice, really good shape. Look how bright white it is. Of course, we've got the rear door there. 9 passengers. Well, those seats are in great shape. We'll check that out when we go inside. Coming around the other side, really no stories to be told. Straight metal all the way down. Windows looking good. Nice little entry here for your little minibus. Check this out. 3-point seat belts. Oh, I can get ahead of myself there. Driver's area, excellent shape. I should fire it up for him, shouldn't I? 21,000 miles on that 4.8. I drove this around. It's a tight little bus. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's humming like it should. Of course, you've got electric bifold door. You've got heat and AC on this bus, front and rear. All the seats there. What do you think, Dan?
10.
10, easy 10. 3-point seat belts. All in great shape. Well, looky there. That is, if you're looking for a bus like that, I encourage you to come down here and check this one out. You can get more information though at LasVegasBusSales.com or call us 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.